Bay is blocked. So whether you're coming from Kennedy Grove, whether you're coming from Bermerad, or whether you're coming out from St Paul's Bay itself, or from St Paul's Bay bypass, you're going to be affected by that this afternoon. Please keep me up to date with what's happening with that. If it's a class, probably could take a little while to get out of the way, but do let me know what's going on there. You're lovely, thank you so much. I've got so much news to share with you guys today, and I haven't got anywhere yet.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you for keeping the road safe.
This